Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Isla di Paradiso. As what I'm going to talk to you about today is of course my ever experience with Vela Air. This is one of the best airline here in the Maldives. They are on time and efficiency of service. I had a very nice flight with this, though it's only 20 minutes from Darabatu Island to Maldives or Mali, which is the capital city. But with this 20 minutes of flight, it was a spectacular view that you can see below, and those green islands. Wow, they call it atolls. It's so perfect. It was really fascinating with the view or the sceneries. It was nice. With this 20 minutes flight, it was fantastic. The crew are really, very kind. They're very polite. And mind you, only 20 minutes, but still, they serve light snacks. Orange juice and croissant. They're serving it to us. It was, for me, it's amazing service here. Friendly and nice flight crew. Most importantly as well is the amazing view of the Maldives. The green down below, and wow, and that's Vela Air. And now we already landed and started our taxi to the top. And again, it's only 20 minutes. It's only 20 minutes flight, but it was very nice one. Good experience for this ride. And this is a full packed flight. There's so many guests in this flight. Also, what I would like to appreciate is the chairs. There's just enough space for my knee to bend. I can even swing my knees, not so tight. That it's a wonderful experience for me flying with Vela. Yes, this is Vela Air, one of the best flight, or one of the best airline here in the Maldives. Maybe later, or my next ever flight, I will show you the entire cabin. Yeah, because what I have shown right here is only outside. And later, I had an opportunity to fly again. I will show you the interior aspects of this planet. Channel Isla di Paraíso. Yahoo!